I got my flour. I ain't never seen no pizza like this before, homeboy. Come behind that with my salt, okay? Hit it with a little baking soda. Come behind that with some baking powder. Now give this a little stir, right? Because I want this to mix in a little bit, you know? And I got a little hole right there. Let me show you this. So now I come with my little bit of milk. When I'm stirring this, I'm pouring. It doesn't matter if it's a little lumpy. But guys, guess what? We need oil in this bad boy too, okay? Not the kind you put in your car. Because I heard that's really cheap right now. I know a lot of you looking at this and go, Sky, that look like a ball of snot. I know, I'm thinking that's the same thing. I can come behind with my nice, delicious pizza sauce here. Now coming behind that pizza sauce with some cheese. The good stuff. It's high quality, expensive cheese, okay?
What kind of cheese is it?
It's from one of them countries you all never heard of because it's so expensive. All right? But now we come over this with our Italian seasoning. Okay? Trust me, it was made by Italians and it's good. And now we come around here with our little pepperoni. You can do a little design. Okay? Oops, too close. Beautiful. Okay? Now I take this and I can put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Gordon Ramsay, where you at, homeboy? Like it's rising, it's about to overflow. Oh, check it out, check it out, check it out. Bingo. All the grease of regular pizza, half the time. And there you have it! Microwave pizza in a cup. We ain't got no crushed red pepper, but we got sriracha. Who put sriracha on the pizza? This dude. Sriracha goes on anything. Oh yeah. See the dough? Man, it's delicious. Fattening, but delicious. Okay? Ow! Anyway, okay? We cooked delicious crab. Have a nice day. I can't wait to try this on someone.